This 2025 Renegade Vienna 25VRML is a Class C RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Renegade is 25 feet 6 inches in length and features smoke detector, LP detector, skylight, leveling jacks, slide-out, water heater, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, refrigerator, and 34 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, rear bath. This 2025 Renegade Vienna 25VRML is built on a Mercedes Benz Sprinter chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.